Welcome back to our channel, where learning meets excitement. The next important topic is making of the Indian Constitution. Let's begin with how the demand for a Constituent Assembly has come up. It was in the year 1934. The idea of a Constituent Assembly for India was put forward for the first time by M.N.Roy, a pioneer of communist movement in India. And then, in 1935, the Indian National Congress, for the first time, officially demanded a Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution of India. And then, in 1938, Jawaharlal Nehru, on behalf of the Indian National Congress, declared that the Constitution of Free India must be framed, without outside interference, by a Constituent Assembly elected on the basis of adult franchise. The demand was finally accepted in principle by the British government, in what is known as the August Offer of 1940. In 1942, Sir Stafford Cripps, a member of the cabinet, came to India with a draft proposal of the British government on the framing of an independent constitution, to be adopted after the World War II. The Cripps proposals were rejected by the Muslim League, which wanted India to be divided into two autonomous states, with two separate constituent assemblies. Finally, a cabinet mission was sent to India. While it rejected the idea of two constituent assemblies, it put forth a scheme for the Constituent Assembly which more or less satisfied the Muslim League. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.